in this video, let's fix the problem we encountered in last video. Okay, let's take a look of the video to see what is the problem. Okay, let's demonstrate our Golden Sun games. Let's try GT chess first. So this is iPhone 5. This is a 5. Let's fast forward here to here. Oh, this is the. Let's reset. Okay. So now let's try to move upon here. Yeah, you see here, right? And 9. Oh, can we do that? Yes, this is the white. Oh, I know. Maybe it's good to switch, right? Switch the black and white, but we can do that later. Okay. Yeah. Now, so this is the later time. We'll fix this. So better on the on the right, it's better to swap the black and white, right? So it's easier to play. Yeah, it's more natural. Okay, let's do it. Before that, what I want to do is we want to make the best use of our screen. Okay, so we can remove this margin. All right, it's a waste of our variable screen estate, right? Estate. So let's go to here. We can make this, right, from 20 to 0. Double click, 0, enter. Double click, 0, set to 0 and enter. And this one, last one is here, 0, enter. Yeah, cool. And we didn't break any auto layout constraint. So yeah, let's run it. Nice, right? You see? Now that's the best we can do, right? To make use of the full width of the screen. Yeah. And now let's go to our like black and white swapping business here. So think about that. What's the strategy? What's the easiest way to do that? So this has nothing to do with our logical, right, concepts. It's a view thing. It's how we represent the board, right? So from the design point of view, it's better to limit this thing inside our view. It's how it's like you, right? Turn the upside down of the real, actually is rotate, right? Rotate 180 degree. You see? This guy will be here, right? And that guy will be here. And this guy will be here. So we only need to modify how we render, right, the board. Any idea about that? Okay, my solution is I'll add a flag here. Like var black at top, right? So black at top, yes, true. By default, it's true. So hopefully we can use this, right, to change the layout. So let's create a helper function to make the change, okay, for our coordinates. For example, this one, let's figure out the mapping here. So for example, the column here, this guy will be here, right? So have you found the mapping relationship? Column 1 will be mapped to column 6, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the row 0 will be mapped to row 7, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's create a function here or here at the end. So like private function, and let's do so this conversion, right, of the coordinates is for peer to peer. So let's use this for name. Okay, so we don't need that, but we do need the coordinates. So the coordinate actually integer. So this is means P2P means peer to peer. So for two players, we want to switch the upside and the bottom side, right? So the mapping, we can share the same logic from the column and the rows. So we only need one coordinate because the pattern is same. Return what? 7 minus coordinate, right? Does it make sense? 1 is mapped to what? Oh, return. We need a return here. Sorry. Int. Yeah. The result of this conversion. So again, 1, right, is mapped to 6. And 0 is mapped to 7. Okay, so now let's use this and together with this flag, okay, to control our rendering. So where is the code for us to draw the pieces? Draw pieces here, right? So instead of using this guy, here, so we can say, right, we can change it to, oh, sorry, no, it's not like that. We didn't include the flag, right? So if wait a minute, P2P, yeah, P2P is good. P2P is good. Okay, so it means yeah, this one, if the black is at top, then it's that. Otherwise, it will be P2P of this guy. So let's create a variable here. Let column equals black at top. If black is at top, then we just use piece.colon. Otherwise, P2P, right? Piece.colon. We'll change it, right? Upside down. So we'll do the same thing for row. So black at top. If yes, we just use the default row, and otherwise we'll use P2P to make the change. Make the change dot row. Okay, now we can use that column here and the row here. That's it. That's it. Let's give it a try. If we run it, because by default, break at top is true. Okay, let's run it. Okay, so if we change this one, then all the white piece, right, will be at the top. Okay, so false. Run it again. Nice. Now, how can we move it? So if we want to move our white piece, you see? Yeah, we can move the white piece, right? But of course, we have more work to do. Where is it? Here, right? Those things need to be handled using the same logic. So we can do like from colon equals, right? Break. Oh, now I see. We can include this logic into the P2P. Okay? We can simplify the logic like that. We can handle this one. Okay, here. So break at top. If yes, we just return itself coordinates. Otherwise, yeah. Now we can simplify the logic here. No, here. We don't even need that. We can just convert it in place, in the field. So P2P and P dot colon. Yeah, and here P2P and the piece. This is the original one. Yeah, piece. Let's test it, run it. Oh, I missed the one, a closing parenthesis. Yeah, because, okay, run it. What? P2P, piece to, what is that? Oh, okay. So it means we need to add the coordinates, but we can use this trick. Underscore here. Now we don't need to put the label there in the function call. Yeah, it works. Okay, let's continue. So here we can simplify the code, use P2P from colon. That's so cool, right? It's so elegant. From row equals P2P from row. Why does he complain? Oh? Actually, we don't even need to do that. We can add P2P to here. P2P, right? And P2P. So we need to do the same thing for, yeah, here. P to P, right? The end location. P to P, like that. Let's give it a try. So this time we should be able to move the piece, right? So it's white's turn. Can we move that? Now it's real black now. Yes. Cool. But we still need to check the original case. That's the simplest logic I can find to introduce this change. Yes. Right? Cool. Now, what is the next? How can we make use of this logic in our peer-to-peer fighting? So when is the best moment to, right, to switch the board, right? Switch the black and white on the peers, one of the peers game board. Any idea? So for me, remember when we click the oh, no, this one. When we click the advertise, right, button, there's no visual feedback. Actually, this is the good time, right, to change the game board to make ourselves black. So we'll let our partner to move first. It's like it's like a good idea, right? So that's go to view controller. So after we click this button, yeah, we can do that, right? Board view dot black at top equals false, right? So now make ourselves to be the black player. Okay, so we have to update, right? Set needs display. Okay, now let's test it using our whatever. Okay, using this guy, my iPhone 7. Let me grab my phone. Okay, now unlock my iPhone 7 to get ready for the update. Now run it. Okay, there is one warning here. It's easy to fix. It says for all interface orientations must be supported unless the app requires full screen. We don't need the other orientation except the portrait mode. So that's at the full screen requirement. Okay, so click here, the project name, and just check here, require full screen. Nothing will be changed on our app. So now let's run again. Stop it. Run again. Yeah, the warning is gone, you see? And okay, the app is up on my iPhone 7. Stop it because we need to load the simulator here. And run again. Okay. Now I'll launch the app on my iPhone 7 and start. Who will be the break? Okay, this guy. So whoever send out the advertise, right? Click here. Yes, you see? Now, on my iPhone 7, I click join and select the simulator, connected, done. Okay, now, if we move a piece here, yeah, it's not allowed. Okay, I have to, because now my iPhone 7 is white. Okay, let me make a move upon. Yes. Now, what about this one? Yes, it works. Cool. See you next time.